Snad poslední hra, doufám. Tak. Měli bychom tady mít poslední hru. For the English ones, so yes, there's I think last game. Yes, something for tier max, and I guess I would also do on YouTube, or maybe it's there already that I'm getting. How am I get there? I hope that I'm doing this game because I'm doing literally so long. Bro, on that, please. I think GG's too. Yes. Do it. You actually do not kill the stool. Wow. Yes. Nicely. Just missed two right now. I missed. What the hell is with my Wi-Fi? Yes. Got him. With gadget. So that was a nice wrong one. But what the hell is with my Wi-Fi? Yes, now it's good. No. Not good that good. Yes, that was perfect timing. I think I'm doing bad right now. But whoa, that was nice from them. It's a really nice play. GG. So now we have to do it. I think I'm gonna try go there. Yes. Pepperoni set. We do it. Yes, I know it. Well, we will now won. I'm getting right there. To our better position. Oh, that was not good. Bro, I might get so scared. Oh, I forgot I should kill them both. That was not perfect. Yes, Piper killed she. I thought that would be GG Piper, but it wasn't. It did not. Did we do it? Yes! I got my tier max and gas. I'm actually really happy. Yes. My 6th tier max already. Finally. Yes. So yes, if you want some push for other brawlers, I would take to you. So for today, bye.